Hi, welcome to AppExchange Mavericks. I'm Toni V. Martin, founder of Systems to Success and a Salesforce MVP. I'm here with Stevan Simich, CEO and founder of Mogli Technologies. Mogli empowers human connections with messaging apps native to Salesforce. So Stevan, you and I connected at Dreaming in Color about indigenous healing techniques and the fact that we're both Michigan Wolverines. But what I don't know is, how did you found Mogli?
Mogli is actually an acronym for Mobile Global Impact. And I started the business in 2011 with the intent to bend Salesforce for international development organizations. And along the way, look for the patterns where we might be able to productize what we were working on. Our fifth app came in 2012. And it was a project I was working on in Kenya with a friend of mine, Troy, and Nuru International. And we were working to engage about 5,000 Kenyan farmers, their families, via text. It was really hard to get team and resources and vehicles across this wide geography. But with a simple text message, you could engage those farmers. They had no running water, no electricity, maybe a pit latrine nearby, and living in a mud hut. But they all had a flip phone, so it was very easy for the team to stay engaged with them on a daily basis to help them navigate through corn crop disease or other challenges that they might face.
I love that your origin comes from mission-driven work and nonprofits and international development organizations, but do you have other use cases in different industries?
It would be hard to find an industry that wouldn't be a great fit for text messaging, especially because Mogli sits on the AppExchange. Let me share a story of one of our clients, Trinity Western University. They're a higher education organization, and they were sponsoring a concert series across North America. And at the intermission, they used a text tool to engage high school recruits who were probably at the concert to see if they'd be interested in learning more about Trinity Western. Their old system flipped just a simple URL, and they found that they had a 0% completion rate. But when they applied Mogli to the process, they found that as students were engaging the survey, they stayed all the way through the survey. 97% of the students that engaged it completed it, allowing those students to connect with the recruiters at the university and to see if they were a fit.
97%, wow.
A great use case in the manufacturing vertical is one of our clients, Pella Windows, and they use Mogli SMS to help their sales reps stay on point with their scheduled appointments by sending a simple text message to the households that they're going to visit to make a sales call. Allow them to stay connected or know if something was rescheduled to move on to the next household and not waste time. We have many wealth management organizations that use Mogli SMS, and one of my favorite use cases is with Annex Wealth Management. They had a radio show to engage people across Wisconsin to help them learn about investing as well as to potentially schedule appointments with their investment professionals. And they used a keyword and a Mogli number to prompt an individual to text in and schedule an appointment with one of their local offices and with one of their local investment professionals. It was really fun and creative use of Mogli SMS. Hey Motor City girl! Did you know that the Detroit Lions, a professional sports team, is using Mogli SMS? They're using it for their season ticket holders as well as their fans to increase their engagement, and it's really fun to see that happen at a game.
I am a fan. That's so cool.
The possibilities and use cases across all industries continue to push our team and push the boundaries of what people consider as just a text message.
So basically, is there any organization that can't benefit from SMS?
Nope. Most organizations can, especially our international organizations who use WhatsApp to manage their international and domestic communications. In a crowded communications app space, text messaging allows for trusted and simple communications. So, Toni, would you like to see a demo?
I've got my phone right here. Let's do it.
Great. Well, we're going to demo a traditional NPS score, but we'll point that NPS score back to this Mavericks. So whoever's watching this video, ask you to take out your phone and play along. Text the keyword MAVS to 70222 or scan the QR code as shown and hit send in your texting app to initiate the survey. How likely are you to recommend this AppExchange Mavericks episode to a friend? On the right is a mobile phone virtualized, and on the left will soon appear the Mogli inbox. Note in the mobile how the keyword pops up and initiates the next question of the survey. Beyond a simple yes, Mogli can easily process emoji or various replies to advance a survey down the ideal branch versus triggering an error or creating a stalled survey. As we progress the survey, note that I can jump into any Salesforce record to access more information while seeing the text thread advance in the Mogli conversation view. Since this is more than a simple one-to-one chat, survey results are saved in a single form record for easy reporting and automation. Automations can be triggered from a single question response record, or when the survey is complete, automate the next step in an engagement campaign. Easily visualize and refresh the results of your NPS score and track outcomes for data-driven decisions in a Salesforce dashboard. While Mogli turns feedback into digital engagement through an invitation to schedule an intro call in the mobile, note that the scheduler URL pre-populates data. This simple act reduces data entry friction and dramatically increases engagement rates. Thanks for Mogling along.
Steven, that is so cool. So really, we're not talking about text or the platform. We're talking about digital engagement.
Exactly. This is how people are connecting right now, and having this tool as a way to connect with somebody along that communications trail will typically increase your engagement rate significantly. It's a key part of everybody and every marketing person's communications toolkit.
So Steven, what does the power of a text message mean to you?
Wow, it's been a personal life vision come true, and the ability that our company allows us to interconnect people all around the globe is humbling and a joy, and it feels great on a daily basis knowing that little Moglis are flying around the world and helping people do more of what matters.